Hello. Bonjour. What's going on? What's shaking bacon? What's shaking bacon? We're in the new vehicle. And not just that. I have casada, which is the next best thing that I have for Chipotle down here for lunch. So it's been a good day. Not just that, but we also got our golf membership this morning as well. So it's been a good fucking day. You know? It's been a great day, to say the least. Good is an understatement. Great might even be an understatement. I feel fan-fucking-tastic. Woo! Let's go! All right. Look at this boat. It's an absolute boat. 8-foot box on her. 8-foot box, not your access to my tailgate via my keychain. You got the big 8-foot box here. Pretty. You got the crew cab, right? Good old crew cab. And then you hop in here, right? Hop in here. You got the push to start. You got the big touchscreen here. It already is a little dusty. We'll work on it. You know, you got the room back here. Got the big console. Beautiful. Boom, lots of storage. You know, you got this here too. That moves back. You got stuff down in there. Very nice. Glove department, obviously. Then you start her up. And she just purrs. Listen to it. It just purrs. It's quiet. That's what I like. It's quiet, but it's got that like bass. I need something now, actually. Quite badly. So yeah, that's the tour of the truck. I'm stoked. I love it. We gotta put it to work soon. I mean, spring. Next spring, we'll be putting it to work. So it's a good investment, you know, not just a leisurely vehicle. It'll be for the grind, but it'll be good. A 3-inch lift, I know. I love it. Got my own vehicle now. Feels great. Feels fucking great. The Bushwhacker. You want to hear it start up from like... I actually haven't heard it like with the door open. I hear this. You know what? It's a lot quieter than I thought it was, but I'm not complaining. I kind of like it. Don't wake up the whole neighborhood. Let me start her up. I like it. She sounds nice. Got a nice purr to it, you know? Nice little purr to it. But thank you, ladies. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. However, I did just get home and I want to eat. I'm fucking starving. I have not eaten anything yet today. So I wanted to just come on quick, show you ladies the truck, give you a quick little tour of it. We'll still be back on later tonight for our normal live. But yeah, I need to go eat and have a couple more things to do for the day before I'm completely done. So stay tuned. Have a great rest of your day. I hope you have a great day at work. It's Friday. Weekend's approaching. And yeah, we'll see you later tonight. As always, ladies. Love you, bye. Ciao, ciao.